Friday podcast. We're getting very close to Christmas down here in Florida. You wouldn't know it by the weather, but we are. It's still like 80 degrees and humid, but Christmas is coming and we're all in the Christmas spirit. We even have a nice Christmas tree here in the showroom. And because it is going to Christmas, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a gift, especially if you own a C5 Corvette, because I'm going to give you yet more free information that's going to help you solve problems in your car. Today's problem that I'm going to show you how to solve is the C5 airbag sticky problem. Now, most people who have a C5 know, or have at least heard from their friends that have C5s, that airbags over time, the cover of them can become really sticky. That can be accelerated by depending on what products you use to detail and clean your car, but eventually they're all going to do it. It's a part of a chemical process as this rubbery plastic stuff starts to break down. Now, there are a whole bunch of people on the internet who are selling products that are guaranteed to take the goop off your wheel and get it back to where you can touch it without leaving fingerprints and getting it all over your hands. I have found that there is a product you can go buy at any grocery store, Walmart, Target, anywhere, that does a really, really good job, and it's incredibly inexpensive. All you need to clean the goop off of these airbags is 2 or 3 microfiber cloths and a little bit of lemon ammonia. The lemon is important. It doesn't work as well without it, but go buy yourself $1.19's worth lemon ammonia. You're going to apply it. You can either put it in a spray bottle or you can just wipe it on with a damp cloth. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you're going to take that rag and you're going to start just working it in circles, just like you were waxing a car, changing the surface that you're working with, turn the rag, work the rag, because your rag's going to fill up with black gunk really fast. And the more frequently you change the rag, the more black gunk it's going to pick up on the first pass. This airbag here was incredibly sticky when I started messing with this. I took about 10 minutes one day just sitting at my desk and worked this all the way around with 3 rags and some lemon ammonia, and it is now not sticky at all. It feels just like it came out of the box from GM. You can do this. You don't have to remove the airbag to do this. You can do it sitting in the driver's seat of your car and just take some time and work your way around. You'll still be able to get to all the edges, and I'm telling you, this will do the job without hurting anything or without exacerbating the outgassing or outwelling of sticky stuff problem that you already have. Now, how long this will last? Probably 2 to 3 months, and then you have to do it again. But it sure beats buying an $800 airbag. Now, for those of you with an 03 or an 04 50th anniversary car, or a Le Mans commemorative car that has the shale airbag like this one, you have a more difficult path to tread because these airbags were black. All GM did was paint them shale. The problem there is, since it isn't molded in this color, as you go clean the goop off with your lemon ammonia, it's going to remove the paint. Now, that shale interior dye is available from several outlets. The people that I know that actually make it are Corvette America, and you can buy a spray bottle of it. But that is something you want to do beforehand, so when you do this big cleaning, you can immediately repaint it and get it back to where it looks right in your car. The shale that they have at Corvette America is a good match. Nothing's 100% perfect, but it's very, very, very close, and all but the most discerning person is going to be quite happy with it. But you don't want to clean this if you don't have the paint already, because otherwise you're going to be staring at this ugly, kind of patchy black airbag in your beautiful shale special collector car. So again, just to recap, soak it with lemon ammonia, work it around just like you were waxing a car, changing the surface of the rag frequently, and that sticky gook will come right up, and you'll probably end up throwing those rags away. I don't know that you can actually wash that stuff out, but even if you have to sacrifice a few rags, way cheaper than replacing an airbag. If you have questions about this, give me a call at 800-886-5064 or catch me at Lyle at CorvettePartsCenter.com. I look forward to your comments, I look forward to your questions, and if you have other suggestions that you need advice on, let me know. I'm going to try to do 3 or 4 videos here as we lead up to Christmas so that in your downtime you can learn a little bit more about your car. I appreciate you joining us. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Once again, the more you watch and the more you subscribe, the more we're able to do for you. I really appreciate it.